how to turn on page you manage SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page you manage SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and here you will find page you manage. Click on it and select your page and scroll down, again here you will find page interactions. Click on it and now just turn SMS notifications on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.